Why do ICE detention camps with barbed wire, children in cages, and families separated look like Holocaust reboots? Because they're meant to be. Zionism depends on trauma. If people stop fearing another Holocaust, then there's no more reason for Israel to exist. So if anti Semitism slightly fades, the machine needs new trauma to exploit, even if it doesn't belong to them. So once the camps went viral and AOC made a comparison to concentration camps, the public was making Holocaust comparisons. And then the ADL, the HAIS, Yad Vashem, and the World Jewish Congress all swoop in to remind us how important Holocaust remembrance is, even though none of these groups have ever stepped in to stop the abuse that's going on. This is what we call a trauma mirror. Suffering is real, but it gets hijacked. Kids in cages, remember the Holocaust. Gaza gets bombed. Jews know oppression too. African slavery, but never forget the Shoah. It always loops back to Zionist exceptionalism. Meanwhile, the same lobbies that cry over ICE fund surveillance, push for border militarization, and don't say anything when Israel deports African migrants. Clearly, this all points back to them trying to control which suffering counts the most. What if the camps aren't just about immigration, but about stoking outrage, reinvoking Holocaust imagery, and keeping Israel's never again past alive in global politics? Zionist trauma equals the world's most powerful PR engine, and it feeds on fresh victims. Let's be real, this is about the Jews. Not all the Jews, but elite Jewish power. Religious texts within the Torah and the Talmud used to justify supremacy. Jewish founded organizations like the ADL and the HAIS weaponizing guilt. Jewish billionaire donors pushing for censorship, surveillance, and war. Zionist propaganda using other people's trauma to revive their brand. The system runs on Jewish identity, Jewish silence, and Jewish institutional power. If we don't say anything about it, they will hide behind it. This isn't conspiracy, it's strategy. This isn't anti Semitism, it's exposure. This isn't about hate, it's about power. And a power that can't be questioned is a power that has already gone too far.